Hi guys, Chao here, as usual, flexing my biceps. Today I'm gonna introduce you one of my favorite recipes for building muscles, which is roasted honey chicken. So to do a perfect roasted honey chicken, definitely you need a perfect honey. So here I'm using Signature Market's wild queen honey. And when I mean wild queen honey, I mean it 100% natural from the wild. No colorings, no flavorings, no added sugar, just pure from nature. Brown sugar, soy sauce, cumin powder, tomato sauce, and of course for the fillings, onions and garlic. Last but not the least, Khind pressure cooker. So let's get started to our marination ingredients. First of all, put your sugar into a small bowl along with soy sauce, cumin powder and tomato sauce. Now, a tip here is that before mixing it, you're gonna put some honey, 2 tablespoons of honey into here. But here we'll be using a ceramic or glass spoon because we don't want to use metal spoon or else there will be metal corrosion, alright? So here I'll just use 2 tablespoons of this pure raw honey. 1 and 2. So mix this paste as usual, make it into very evenly until you won't see any residues of this powder precipitations. Okay, that should be fine. And then you may drizzle this marination into your whole chicken, right? So I normally prefer to drizzle it like this. And then if let's say you want your chicken to be more flavorful, you can sear it apart to let the flavor go into the chicken meat easily. But however, I'm someone who used to some mouth flavor, so I'll just drizzle it on it as I prefer. So just drizzle it every of the sauce. Now, time to get your hands dirty. Here, you need to massage the chicken gently, just like how you massage your mom and dad after their work, from their busy life, from the breast, from the thigh, from the wings, and of course, the whole chicken body. Alright? You may actually put a little bit of this sauce into your chicken carcass. Alright? So make sure the organs are already removed here. So massage one more time. Make sure every part is already covered in. And lastly, you may add in your garlic and your onion into your chicken carcass. Now remember, adding into this whole of this chicken instead of the buttocks, right? Because if let's say you put it into the buttocks, chances are it will be stuffed. So, sorry. So let's stuff in the garlic and the onions. Just stuff generously, alright? You want your chicken to be very full of flavor, so just stuff it generously. Pretty easy, right? Before we end this marination process, make sure that the whole is not stuffed with all of the ingredients. So you may need to push it more deeper, close it up with the skin, and then marinate for at least 30 minutes to overnight. Alright guys, the marination has just completed. We'll just directly put the whole chicken, place it on the steaming plate. Make sure all the ingredients are in here. So let it out and then close it back. Set the settings to baking. Press start and then just wait for it to cook.
Moments later.
Alright guys, the chicken is just ready and let us review this chicken. How does it look, right? So open the valve and then open the lid. Wow! Let us smell the aroma. Smells very delicious. So let's get this chicken out. Alright, let's take the whole chicken out. So there you have it, roasted honey chicken. You can eat this by its own or you can pair it with my favorite carbohydrates, spinach noodle from Signature Market. So I'll just open this up first. Place this chicken up here. Prepare a plate for one serving of this noodle. So there you have it, spinach noodle. And to complete this awesome meal, make sure to put your roasted honey chicken as well. That's about it. Pretty simple, best for your lunchbox idea and also a great post-workout meal. So I hope you all will enjoy this recipe. Let me know what you all think. And remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure to like, share and comment down what other chicken recipes you would like us to try in the next video. So the person with the best comment will win away this Khind pressure cooker. So best of luck and I'll see you all next time.